Have you ever had your iPhone register multiple touches on the screen, even though you only tapped once? If you often face this problem, you're not alone. Fortunately, there's an easy way to prevent these unwanted repeated touches. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily adjust the settings and solve this issue, making your iPhone much more precise and easier to use. Let's dive into the solution. First, find the Settings app on your home screen and open it. After opening the Settings app, scroll down a bit, find the Accessibility section and tap on it. Once you're in the Accessibility section, scroll down again and, under Physical and Motor, find the Touch option and tap on it to open additional options. When you're in the Touch section, you'll see many options for adjusting touch settings. Look for Touch Accommodations and tap on it. Now, in this section, find the Ignore Repeat option and tap the switch next to it to enable it. After enabling this option, right below it, you can set the time interval during which the device will ignore repeated touches. Choose the appropriate time period, a shorter interval for a faster response, or a longer one if you want more time between touches. I recommend starting with 0.5 seconds and adjusting it according to your needs. After setting the interval, test how your iPhone responds to touches. If you notice that the device is too sensitive or doesn't respond when you want it to, you can adjust the interval again until you find the perfect setting for you. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If so, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, and of course, consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.